How about that?
This one was purchased by my husband. I don't know why. I think they just liked it and maybe used it for decoration. It's very heavy. It's probably been over 30 years ago.
30 years ago.
Yeah, okay. At least.
So in order to adjust the tension of the mainspring or drawband, first lose this screw, and then you can move this one a little bit back or a little bit front. After that, we can control, we can move, unscrew or screw this part. After setup, we can also tighten this one, okay? For side, you can take off this one to see inside. There is a very important thing in here. This is the mainspring for the draw cord, and then you see this one, right? This one is connected to the ribbon spool. So these small guys touch this gear. So that means make turn. This one it's connected to the ribbon spool. So that's why ribbon spool turns according to this gear. Okay, I will show you. See the inside, the white one, a little bit going down, right? And then that means spool turning. So when I bought this one, this spring took off, so that means it didn't work. So I put this spring again, and then little bit make tension. After that, it works. Okay, so that it's very important. And then the other side, very mechanically interesting thing. this two, this one and then this one, this for the ribbon direction. If hook up this one, the one side ribbon turning, and then on the fit this gear with this one, then another side ribbon turning. So I will show you. Right now it's this gear hook up this one, and then I push. That means this gear hook up this one. So that's why we can change the ribbon direction. This one turn right, this one turn left. Okay, that's very interesting part. But every typewriter has like this one. Right? Then this one is for the carriage release button. Carriage release. Okay. Right side we have same one. This one. Okay. Yeah. This one is a margin setup. Left margin to right margin. And then this right margin hit this one. That means make a bell ring. Like this. Bell is here. Bell is here. That's here. And then this one for the line space change. Okay. Then this lever is for the paper hold the release. Like this. We have another side, the same thing. This. Then this lever for the paper release. Paper release.